Here's some easy and inexpensive ways to upgrade your home. First up is window film. You guys, I love window film. It's very inexpensive and it's easy to apply. I put this window film on my front doors. So I did want double doors with windows so the sunlight can come in, but I wanted a little bit of privacy. So what I got was this film that gives you the ability to, when you get really up close to it, you can kind of see what's outside, because I wanted to be able to see like if somebody was at the front door or on the street or something. But it also gives enough privacy so people can't see like inside. This is perfect. It actually gives a upscale vibe. You can apply this to bathroom doors, bathroom windows, front doors, kitchen windows. It gives this luxury type vibe, but it's an inexpensive way to give you some privacy and upgrade a door or window. All you do is clean the windows, spray it with water, and then apply it. Super easy to do. It took me less than 20 minutes to do our front doors, but it made a huge difference. A second way is very similar, but this is using contact paper to upgrade or enhance your furniture. I have used contact paper for years. If y'all have seen any of my old videos, I've showed you so many DIY projects of redoing furniture and items. Not only can it make it look better, but it can also differentiate like furniture pieces. Like, you know, I've done a lot of IKEA pieces where I know everybody sometimes may have the same piece of furniture in their home, but you can differentiate it with contact paper. And also you can protect your furniture. So I've done this on my kids' dressers in the nursery. This dresser that I'm using currently in the nursery, I used for both kids. So it's literally held up for about 5 years throughout lots of spills, mishaps, you know. I cannot tell you the countless amount of stuff that I have cleaned off of the contact paper. But because it's easily wipeable, it works so great to protect your furniture. So if you do want to be able to keep using the same piece of furniture for years, or maybe through several kids, adding contact paper to it can make a huge difference. And then it also makes it look good. Like I got this wood type contact paper for my son's dresser. It's an IKEA dresser. It literally ups the look. It makes it look like it's a wood top instead of just the regular black top. So not only does it protect it, it also looks really good. And everybody's fooled when they see it, think it's real wood. But I'd be like, y'all, it's contact paper. But I've done this on desk. I've done this on bookcases. I've done this a lot. So definitely adding some contact paper to some furniture can give it an upscale vibe and easily upgrade your space. Now let's talk about accent walls. That is just one of the easiest ways to upgrade a room. You can use contact paper for your walls. So I've done this in several homes too. I actually currently have it in one of my spaces here in my master's bathroom. I upgraded the wall to this concrete looking back wall and I love it. I actually want to do my entire bathroom with it. I just haven't had the time yet, but adding this accent wall in our master's bath, give it a custom vibe. Although our house is a custom, I didn't want to pay for a lot of things, and I knew some things were easy to do as easy DIY projects, and that was one. So instead of having somebody do me a concrete wall, I just decided to take the more inexpensive route and do a accent wall of concrete contact paper. So you can definitely do accent walls with contact paper. Speaking of accent walls, you can also do paint and use paint to upgrade a space. And we have painted several rooms in our home here, my husband and I, that you can add an accent wall in. Paint is inexpensive. It takes a couple hours, if that, just depending on which paint you use and how many coats. But it's an easy, inexpensive way to up a room. As a matter of fact, we also painted this fireplace. So, well, my husband and I didn't do it. I did hire somebody to do the fireplace, but it was an easy change. It literally was less than a couple $100 to get our fireplace painted as an accent in the color black, which you see currently behind me. So that's another thing you can do. Again, paint can easily upgrade a space. You can do walls, you can do a fireplace or bookcase, any type of accent in a room with paint. One way I absolutely am obsessed with and I love to do in my homes is upgrade light fixtures. It's such a simple, inexpensive way to upgrade an entire space. You can make your space look from basic to luxe with just the simple change out and switching of light fixtures. I've done this again in all our homes. Even in this home, a couple light fixtures I changed out was one in our nursery. This light fixture that you're seeing It was from Amazon. It was not expensive. I maybe paid like 100 and some bucks for it, but it's gorgeous. Y'all, it's gorgeous. I actually want to add this same light fixture in a couple of spaces around my home. Now, another light fixture too that I absolutely love, and it looks so luxe. Oh, it looks so great. And that is in the master's bedroom. It is a large chandelier that we added after we built the house because, again, if you buy light fixtures a lot of times through like the builder who they're using, they can be extremely expensive. Like they wanted to charge me like $7,000 for a light fixture. And I was like, no. So this light fixture in our master's bedroom came from Wayfair, and it was a couple $100 too. It looks like $1,000 light fixture. So light fixtures can be a simple change, inexpensive change, whether you do it yourself or hire someone. We've done some in our past home, but we now have a friend that is not an expensive electrician, and we just have him switch them out to just save us time and just pay him. So either way, whether you buy it or have someone do it, it's such a great way to amp up a space just with the light fixtures. In our master's bathroom, I changed out light fixtures there, and honestly, I ordered these from Wayfair too, but the color wasn't the gold that I was expecting and wanted, so I did spray paint those. You can spray paint light fixtures too. Easy upgrade. So if you just want to change the color, feel free to spray paint them. I've done that before, and I've done that in this house. So great way to amp up a space. The light fixtures wasn't expensive, but it actually gives us a luxe vibe in our master's bath. Although it's already a nice bathroom, it's another way to just upgrade it. If you guys are loving the ideas, do me a huge favor. Tap that thumbs up. It'll light up with fireworks, and also make sure to subscribe if you haven't, and turn on your notification bell so you can get notified when I upload my next video. Knobs and handles is another easy, simple change that can really make your home look so nice and change your entire space. We've done this again in several homes. You can do this in your kitchens, in your bathrooms, in your bedrooms. I've done this on dressers. Yeah, so the dresser in the nursery, like I said, this dresser has went through several kids, several years. And to change it from the style Ace had it to now what Zuri has, to make it a little bit more girly, I changed out the handles and got some gold, nice handles that are round and baby friendly. And then I also used the same IKEA dresser. Ace used this too. Just switched out the knobs to gold knobs. We've done this in previous kitchens too, and made it looks so much better with paint and knob change outs. In our pantry and our kitchen here too, again, just changing out the knobs can make such a big difference. Same with doorknobs. Don't forget doorknobs too. We changed that, I think in our first house, we changed out all the like pre-made doorknobs that came standard with the home to some really nice like black knobs that are lever black knobs. They look so good. Like they can make your home look so luxe. But yeah, that's an easy switch too. So incorporating some lights under spaces in your home can actually be an added feature too. So like these lights right here are great. Simple lights you can put like under kitchen cabinets if you want to add underlight in cabinet. You can put these in closets, maybe where it's dark, or, you know, if it's a space where you need more lighting, if you're reaching for something like shoes and hats and things like that, you need some more light. You can also add these in bookcases. Anywhere you need more light, you can grab these like little bitty inexpensive stick-on lights that you stick on there. And these have magnetic attachments, so you can pull these down to recharge these at any given moment. So I love that they're rechargeable instead of being battery operated. This is the charging base that it comes with, and you can just stick them all on here. This one, for instance, comes with 3 lights, and they can charge on this one base. Also comes with a remote too, which is nice and handy. You can control the dimness on it. You can put it on a timer if you want to. You can do all of that with a remote, which is nice. Adding some ambient lighting can be a simple, easy way to upgrade your space, your home, your kitchens, your closets, your cabinets. So definitely take a look at that. Another way to upgrade any space is replacing your lamps. If you have like old lamps or small lamps, you can replace them with more upgraded lamps, newer lamps, theme type lamps. Like I have some around our home now currently that are just so cool. They have this woven texture to them that makes the space look so calm and relaxing, but they're upgraded. So they have plugins, so you can plug things in. They have USB plugins, and even I think my bedroom has a 2-prong plug-in too, so I can actually plug in like so many different items there. It's touch. Also, I have one in my nursery as well, where you just can touch it and it does turn the light on and off, and it's dimmable. It has 3 different settings like low, medium, and high. So I love the extra added features on my lamps. Not only is it a smart lamp, but it's also a beautiful lamp too. So again, you're replacing your lamps for newer, more modern lamps that either look better or have added features to it, can also upgrade your space. This next one is an easy, simple way to upgrade your space. Plants, you guys, plants. Yes. Plants can literally change the vibe of a room. And you can use either real plants, or like me, if you don't have really a green thumb, you can use artificial plants. I like to find plants that are like realistic looking. I can link several. I have a lot that I've purchased over the years because y'all, this is our third house. So I have definitely purchased a lot in my lifetime. But some of my favorites are like olive trees. And if you can get one that looks realistic, like with a realistic branch and leaves, those work so great for upgrading a space. But there are several different types you can get. But that extra greenery calms a room and gives it a different type of atmosphere. And even table plants too. So don't forget about your table plants, plants that you have on your islands, on your countertops, on your tables, on your nightstands around your room. Definitely adding plants to your space can easily make a huge difference. Let's talk about window treatments, especially in particular, I'm going to talk about curtains. So adding you some curtains to space, maybe you already have plans up, but sometimes you just, if you feel like the room is missing something, a lot of times it can literally just be adding in some curtains. And if you find some of the color that you're looking for, whether you want something neutral or something with some color, that can literally make a huge difference in a space. Like in my nursery, without the curtains, the room is just not the same. It feels bare, feels like it's missing something. But I found these blue colored curtains that match the space. And these curtains not only add decor to the room, but they also are blackout curtains so they can block the sun out, and they also are sound dampening curtains, which is amazing. So if you have like maybe loud neighbors, or if you're in a loud space or you got loud streets, the sound dampening helps. It don't completely block it, but it does help to block a lot of the noise, and my kids have come to love them. Yes, I have these in both my kids' rooms, and just adding in some curtains, whether again you get neutral or you get the color of the space that you're trying to decorate with, it can make a huge difference in a room. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next one. So make sure to check that out.